In this quick video, I will show you how to stake IMX tokens step by step. So the first step is to go to imx.community/staking and then connect your wallet. Now once you have connected your wallet, you must know that there are two layers here. So we have here the layer 1 and the layer 2. So if you want to stake your IMX token, you will gonna need to deposit to layer 2. So in order to deposit your IMX token into layer 2, you just click at IMX here. Click deposit IMX into layer 2. But as you can see, I don't have IMX token in my MetaMask wallet, and I also don't have an Ethereum token to pay for the gas fee. So if you have these two requirements, you can now stake your IMX token. So if you want to deposit, just click here and then pay for the gas fee using Ethereum token. Then wait for the transaction to be completed. And then once the transaction to be completed, you can now stake your IMX token. So just scroll down here and then type down the amount of IMX token you want to stake. Now, once you have typed down the amount of IMX token you want to stake, click stake here, and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up again. Pay for the gas fee, and then wait for the transactions to be completed. And then once the transactions have been completed, you will see here your active stake. And in order to get a reward, you will gonna need to qualify for IMX rewards for this cycle. So you will gonna need to qualify for each cycle. So in order to be qualified for IMX rewards, you will gonna need to stake first and then trade an NFT on a marketplace that uses the Immutable X order book. And these are the examples. And you can see here the time for each cycle. So after this cycle, you can now earn a reward. So the reward will be deposited automatically into your wallet. If you want to unstake your IMX token, just click the unstake tab here and then type down the amount of IMX token you want to unstake. But note that unstake amount will be received at the end of cycle, which is this cycle. And if you have any questions about how to stake IMX token, leave a comment below.